vlog day. I begin to
You're mine for Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiffany here. Well guys, as you could see by the title of this video and the previous videos played, I am on a trip, a weekend getaway, and I decided to just vlog and do a little video showing you guys how the thing is. Guys, I hope you're enjoying this little vlog, this weekend getaway, and if you want more details about the trip, everything, you can just like DM me on my Instagram, because by this time you have to be following me, guys. If you don't follow me, so go follow me on my Instagram and DM me for any ideas, content, everything, because my hand is hurting. But yeah, just DM me for anything, suggestions, questions, or just comment down below, guys, because I'm here for you guys. Today's Friday, day 2. I just showed you guys, because the first night, as you can see, we slept in some other hotel, and it's good. Fun fact, it was my first time there, but I was the person to find the place. Like, I'm always the person who finds everything, like for the things of hotels and lodges or whatever, for relaxation, vacation. It's always me, guys. It's always me. But it was my first time that I actually went there, but my mom, my brother, they've been there like twice. So yeah, it's something. It is something. Yeah, but it was a quite good experience, and now we're here. You could see this beautiful place I am. Anyways guys, enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll see you at the end. guys, I think that's pretty much it for the vlog for the weekend getaway, because today is Monday and the day of departure. I just hope you guys did enjoy the video, and yeah, it wasn't that, maybe it was interesting. Yeah, I just decided to vlog because I can see like that vlogs are having like more outcome in the channel. I just hope you did enjoy the video and everything else. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, share, follow me on Instagram, DM me for any ideas, content suggestions, and I'll be there for you guys. Comment down below whatever you think about the video, whatever you think is the perfect content to continue doing, if it's vlogs, recipes, or whatever. Don't forget that more hair content is coming. Stay tuned on Instagram stories because I want to be consistent there. And yes guys, stay safe. Peace out.